UFC sports. It's in the game.
Bout between Khabib Nurmagomedov and Toни Ferguson. Well, with respect to Justin Gaethje and anyone else you want to throw in the mix, this is about as watchable a fighter as we have on the UFC roster, the former interim lightweight champion, El Cucuy, Toni Ferguson.
Toni Ferguson is just nasty, from the elbows that he lands on the feet to on the back, the submission ability that he possesses. One of the most diverse strikers in the UFC, and with a college wrestling background, every time you step foot in the octagon with Ferguson, you know that you have your hands full.
And there's some fighters who just don't like training, right? Frank Mir would always say, I don't like to train. Toni Ferguson loves to train. He'll go 5 or 6 hours hard.
That's crazy.
And from a work ethic standpoint, few guys are going to be able to match that. All right, so here he is, Khabib Nurmagomedov. His future in all likelihood is in the UFC Hall of Fame, but his present is this fight right now, once again taking on a fellow top 10, 155-pound fighter.
And when you've done everything that Khabib has done, that's all you see, is the best the business has to offer. Yeah. And after the McGregor fight, his star shined more brightly than he ever could have imagined. I know how humble Khabib is. I know how much he loves to live in privacy. Right. I understand that, but when you beat a Conor McGregor in the way that he did, he became an international icon, and it shows as you watch him in his pursuits of just opportunities and everything. But nothing is available to Khabib if he does not take care of business in this octagon. And every time he steps foot there, he does exactly that. One of the most dominant fighters the UFC has ever seen.
Going into that Conor McGregor fight, UFC 229, October of 2018, had about 4 million Instagram followers.
Yes.
How about 15 million? You
ready? You ready?
Man, I'm nervous, and I think rightfully so. Khabib Nurmagomedov versus Toni Ferguson, truly a dream matchup for fight fans. I know you don't know. Wow!
Oh, nice elbow. Big, powerful punch lands. Now he gets back in range.
Oh, and he gets tagged. Beautiful combination there, and I'm not sure how many more of those power shots he can take.
The night is almost over.
An elbow!
He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Back to the feet. Oh, big elbow. Huge elbow there. Oh, massive knee to the head. We'll see if he can follow up. Ferguson gets caught with that punch. Yeah, looks a little wobbly on his feet.
What a fantastic strike to throw at the exact right moment. He deserves it. Wow. Oh!
You ready? You ready?
All right, so here we go, round one, Khabib Nurmagomedov versus Toni Ferguson. I remember after Toni Ferguson beat Edson Barboza, that's the first time they tried to put this fight together more than 5 years ago. They have locked the door behind them.
It's going to be a fantastic fight. You have two of the most skilled fighters in the division, but also two of the nastiest, most dominant physical fighters lightweight has ever seen. Who's going to lead this arena with their hand raised in the bragging rights?
And they separate. Man, he's just got a great feel for the striking realm early in this one.
The timing is on point. He's doing a great job of mixing everything up.
Oh, big knee!
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad. He loaded up there on that high kick.
Really making good use of his reach advantage there with that punch. Oh, nice land there. Oh! Oh, big combination of ground and pound strikes here, DC. This could be the beginning of the end.
I mean, you got to be very careful when you take these big ground and pound strikes. You need to that is looking to finish, continue to gain posture, and rain down 6 strikes in their opponent.
47 total strikes and now landed for Khabib Nurmagomedov. Nurmagomedov gets back up, back into his comfort zone. Oh, knee strike right to the midsection there. Big elbow there. Oh! Oh, and he lands another no. Ferguson, I have to say, absorbing those strikes quite well.
Dude's hurt. Serve
Oh! Huge right hand! And he comes through with a big knee. Oh! And just like that, the fight is over.
Unbelievable. What a fight.
Yeah, man, crowd loving it. Just a gorgeous shot there to end the fight. Really just the way he drew it up. He found the opening and capitalized on it to the utmost extent. Nicely done to finish the fight. All right, DC, no telestrator tonight, but we're going to get you some highlights from this one. This was a fight that had it all, and for my money, his best performance to date.
His best performance to date in the biggest moment. In the biggest moments, you got to show up. And that's exactly what he did tonight. He used every bit of his skill to get the job done.
All right, the decision is inside the octagon. We send it to the veteran voice. Here's Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Dan Bergliata has called a stop to this contest at 2 minutes, 53 seconds of the very first round. Declaring the winner by knockout, Khabib.